How we create
Spoke model.
in the spoke model? By using the data hub. This is the entire procedure. So like we import the data in the flat list, each and every flat list, and with that using that flat list we create the data system module, and in that system module we create the saved views to build the hierarchy, like G1 build G1 region, build G2 country, build G3 location, like that. Each and every system module we create one saved view, and by using that saved view we create in a spoke model generally hierarchy, like G1 G2 G3 G4 G5, whatever the hierarchy we have, and we assign the parents accordingly. Then so but before, in the system module we do one thing. In the system module what will we do? What are the line items we import? So code anyway we have. In the flat list we import the list items and code, and later in the system module we import the data of each and every list, flat list parent also we import. So here in the saved view what will we do? That parent details will save, and for build location, build country and everything we save their parents. So on the base of that details what will we do? Simply we create the hierarchy, whatever the saved view we create, so we import the data. So that is the hierarchy, it is completed. So this is how we prepare hierarchy in the data hub and spoke model. Means we should explain this one. And other than this one, so few of the questions, so recently we have faced, and always we face this question. Earlier also we have discussed a lot of videos we have regarding this question. So like how we load the data in the data hub, transactional data. So we have, I have shared that recorded session as well regarding this one. How we load the data in the data hub, transactional data, how we load. So some Excel data I have written as a Excel data and transactional data in this recorded session. So anyway, this how we upload the data in the data hub. So whenever if you have the duplicate, whenever if you have the new data, so regarding the different types of examples we have discussed. But the thing is, again we are repeating same thing. So what is, we have the questions here, you can see recent interview questions. So what is the delta load and full load? So how you will do the delta load through the action. So what is the delta load and full load? So that one we need to understand. So what is delta load and full load? Full load means if you have any Excel file and you are uploading the total data in the Anaplan, that is the full load. And what is mean by delta load? What is mean by delta load? Yes,
Daily transaction.
delta load nothing but what can we say? So if you have the list, for example, in our G2 country list, how many items we have?
13.
13 countries.
13 countries.
So whenever if I upload any file, so if I have the 14 countries, so what happens if I upload that file in the general list action? So it should, I have the two options here. So one is, if I upload the full load means total 14 countries will get uploaded. One is new, 13 is old. They uploaded erase earlier countries, and whatever the new file will be provide with 14 countries or 15 countries, it will get in the, instead of that whole list, instead of 13 countries we get the 14 countries if I provide the 14 countries in my Excel file. So what are the what file do we have for the G2 country upload in our Anaplan?
Excel.
File do we have?
.csv.
If I go to actions, you can see here. So G2 country, what file import into G2 country, correct? So if I click on here, we can see what file do we have. So file we can't see here. So this is the list. Here if I go to import data sources, country.csv, this is my file. So this is my file, you can see. So country code, country name, parent, we can see. So how many countries we have in this file? 13 countries we have. So in my downloads also, if I go to my system, so lot of times we have downloaded. So this is about a country file. So we know very well this is one action. So if I publish this action to my classic dashboard, so already we have, you can see this action I want to publish to the one example list, new dashboard example already we have created earlier. So you can see G2 country, this is, you can see I am saving and exiting, and if this is my action. So if this is the action, so if I run, you can see it is asking the choose file. So what happens? So if I am taking the G2 country file, so I have lot of times G2 country, you can see G2 country we have lot of times imported. So if I open any file and if I run, so what happens? You can only import .csv. I hope that is not .csv file. So I need to take the .csv file. You can see countries. So these many times we have imported. So if I take any file, in all these files we have only 13 countries. I don't have any extra countries. So how many getting updating here? 13 countries
13.
only updating. So what happened? So whatever the total file, this is whenever I am running this action, you can see you have one option here. So 13, instead of 13, if I load the 14 also, so if I add any file, if I go to my files, so that G2 countries file, if I open countries file, if I open and if I, instead of this 13, if I upload the 14, what happens? So instead of 13 countries, what I want to do, I want to add more countries. So here countries, instead of countries I want to give the extra countries here. So it is getting stucking, so I will do the later this one. So instead of 13 countries, if I give the 14 countries, what happened in my source file?
Gets updated.
So it is one more thing extra get created, correct? Instead of 13, if I give the 14 countries, what happens? It is one more created. So instead of 13, I will do, give me a minute, I will do in another window. So it will get updated. So what happening here, what we are doing, so we are erasing all the things and we are creating the new things. So this is, if I want to upload any file, entire file, instead of earlier file, so that is the full load. Rather than that one, we have one more option. So what is that option? I have 13 countries, I am uploading one file, and in that file what I do, I check, so these countries, whether it is old or new. So if it is new, then what should happen? If it is new, it should get added in the countries list. So if it is not new, it should not get added. So we need to apply the filter. So only new items should get created in the G2 country. So what is mean by that? For the second option, yes, only one item should only created in my target file. So in the target list, wherever I want to create this country. So what is mean by this one? This is the delta load. Delta load means whenever you are getting the new items in the Anaplan, that one only it should get created. Are you getting difference between the delta load and full load?
Yes, yes.
So in that scenario, which one is the best approach and what is the purpose to do these things? Yes,
Delta load is the best approach.
delta load is best approach. Why means, so whenever we need whatever the major things we need, that one only will do, correct? That upload the data. Remain.
Yeah.
Why do I require the old data, whichever I don't require? Are you getting?
Yes.
So that one is the delta load is the best approach. Whatever the new items we need, so that one only we need. So generally, if we have the large data, 100% we should each and every time old data, there is no need to check, and there is no need to upload again and again. So simply what will we do? We'll upload the new data instead of old data. So that one, to identify that one, so we have we have large concept, that one. So we need to identify, first of all we need to upload the data in the Datahub model, and we need to check whether it is the old data or new data. So that one we need to identify. Then if it is the old data, there is no need to add in our list. So if it is a new data, in that scenario what happened? What do we want in the, if it is a new new item in the list?
We need to go for delta
So
load.
it should added in our list. So that is our concept here. So in the delta load, so we have different examples for that one. So what will we do here? So we have, with the different examples we have done this thing. So here so you can see how it works, and what are the different types of things we have. I am opening one new concept here regarding the Datahub, how we have done. just what we are trying to do here. So first of all, whenever we are importing the data, so in the data hub model we have the 3 4 concepts we have. So whatever we have explained, that is the basic concept. So how to prepare the hierarchy, that is the first step, general step. And apart from that one, so if you are loading the new data and old data, for that scenario what can we do, what do we do? Yes, we create. Are you there everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So we create two concepts here: data hub staging and data hub target. So whatever I have shared the records, so in that one also we have. So how it will be differentiate? So in the data hub staging and data hub target, what do we do? So first of all, we create one number list. So that is, first we create one number list we create. So you can see already number list, serial number list I have. So that is the reason I am taking the serial number list too. So you can see this is my list. So by using the list, what will we do? So I assign this list as a number list. You can see with this list what I do, I add some items. Open this list and I add some items here. Up to 10 items I add. You can see 10 items. You can see this is my serial number list. So this is a number list. So in the number list what I do, I create one data hub staging module. Data hub staging module we create. Data hub staging module, and we take dimension as that number list we take. Line item we create lot of line items here. So but as of now we take few line items. So whatever we have, so like I take product. I want to import the product details. Product details I want to import. Product code and products. So these two I want to import, and even sales. For example, if I have the sales, I want to add these three details first. So later I will add different details as well. So you can see with these three line items I am creating one. I am creating one module. So what is the format of this? Generally, what should be the format of this product code and products and sales? So product code means code. Generally, what format do we take?
Text.
This code always we take the text format. Text format only we take. And what is the format of the products we take?
Text.
Product also we take the text whenever you are importing the first time. So if I have the two scenarios. So if I can take the text and I can take the list and I can import the data. I have the two options. So but what happens if I take the text, whatever the data I am importing, it will get imported. So what is the reason? Yes. What is the reason?
If there are duplicated items also, it will import.
In the text duplicated items, products families you can consider here as we have the dimension. So product family code, you can see, we can easily understand. Product family code I want to import. So anything we can import if I have the text. Why? What is the reason means? So you can text, it doesn't check whether it is already it is a text for list format or something. It doesn't check. So what I do, product family in text format, and product family I will create one more line item, product family list. adding these 4 line items. You can see it is a list format means then I want to convert that text to list. So that is the reason I am doing here text to list. Here you can see product family list I want to convert. You can see. So what happens, you can see. So simply this is the number list. Against this number list, what I do, simply against this number list I am creating product family code and product family in text. This list just to convert text to list I have converted. Sales also will later I import. If I have the in the Excel file I will import. So that is the no issues. The thing is, first of all, whenever if I have the Excel file, so I want to import the data in the Datahub. How I check whether it is product family is the new or old? How I can check? So how can I check if I am importing the data? So you can see already product family files we have taken lot of times. Product family file, if I open product family, you can see. So how many product families we have here? 4 product families I have. So here I am trying to keep admins only. So you can see for serial number, do I have anything here to map?
No, it's a number list.
Serial number in the Excel file, what should I do? In the product family, what should I do? One serial number, I need to create one column here. Then I can map this serial number to 1, 2, 3 to that dimension, correct? Then only it works. Otherwise, I can't import this one. So give me a minute. So we need to prepare the file first. In the product family file, I want to do some changes. So in the product family file, what should I do? Yes, in the product family column, what should I do?
Add serial numbers.
Why does it require? I hope earlier we have created with we have prepared these files already. So I want to search. So what we have done, so in our already prepared file, so we have taken AC, refrigerator, cooler. These are the products we have taken instead of our product family and all. So we have taken AC, cooler, refrigerator we have taken. So you can consider for some time. I am creating the new list for the product 2. I am creating one more product I am creating here. So our product we are not taking, so we are taking product number 2, and so already this name is existing here. Yes, so product 3 I have created, and in this product 3, so I want to insert items. So I am adding only 3 items. In my file I have the 4 items. So how it works you can see. So AC, refrigerator, cooler, only I am adding creating 3 items here, but in my file I have the 4 items. So you can see this is my product 3, and in the staging module what I do, so product family, product code I will write simply. Product 3 code I write, product 3 code, you can see product 3. So even we don't have code there, so only text and list we can consider. So code also we don't have there. I am removing this code as well. So what I do, so this is the first step. We are creating one list, and I want to import data in the product list. So you can see what I do. Simply I will try to import this file, upload new file. You can see I will take example list. I already we have prepared the data. You can see example data. What are the products we have? You can see AC, cooler, fan and refrigerator, but I have added only 3 items I have added. So what happens we can see. Only 3 items I have in my file. So you can see how it works. So which data I need to import here in my module? Yes, which data? If I want to import, what should I do here? Yes, is it getting mapping here? Serial number did I take?
No, it's not getting.
So this file also doesn't consist the serial number here. So can I import if I don't have the serial number?
No, I can't.
So we can't import. So if I import this file, what happens? I will get the product in the text format. I don't want to take this one as of now. So what I do, you can see staging module I have. So I don't have any option to do not prepare the Excel sheet. So I am trying to search whatever already consisting existing file, but everywhere it doesn't consist the serial number. So Yes, we can see here. So I have updated the file. So I have added extra serial number to my file. So you can see what can I do here. Now I want to map. So what happens here, I have added one more column, whatever the dimension I am using, and you can see. So line items, which line item I want to import here? Yes,
Column headers.
yes, product name I want to import. So you can see. So is it everything is getting mapping or something is? Please select the column that contains the data values. So please select column that contains the data values. So simply what can I do? If I keep column header and you can see. So which column I want to map? You can see this is my target. So product name is equal to product text, correct? So in the ignore unmapped. So other than that one I don't want anything. I want only, you can see, I want only mapping. Serial number dimension I am mapping to this one, and line item I am mapping. So only you can see. So product column header I am keeping, but so what line item I want to import in my staging module? Product name I want to import. So if I import this data, you can see what happens. So item not located. Import Datahub staging module successfully ensured that column headers import file. So you can see what failure we are getting. So you can see product name line item 2, 3, 4, 5. So item not located in serial number to list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do we have serial number? You can see in serial number 2 what are the items do we have? At the rate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have. So it is not get mapped. So that is the reason it is showing error. So simply I need to go to actions. Why it is not getting mapping to my list? Why it is not mapping? So does it map these items? Yes. Are you there, everyone?
Not.
So we didn't map and we have run import, correct? So why it is not get map? What is the reason here? Yes. What is the reason? You have one here, it is the ash one you have. So whenever if you have spelling mistake, what should we do? Yes.
Map items manually.
We need to map items manually, correct? So in that scenario only it will get map, otherwise it will not get import. So that is the same reason we are facing the issue. So when we didn't check each and every tab, now I import the, now I have imported the data. So what happens now? What data did I get here? Yes, AC, cooler, fan, regulator, whatever the data I have in the Excel file, I have imported. So now what I do, so you can see data I have imported in my line item, product 3, text format. So now I want to convert from text to list here. So how can I, what is the formula to convert text to list?
Find item.
Find item we have. By using the find item, so in which list I need to check? What is this list name? product 3 I have written, correct?
Yes.
3 list I have written for this one. So not product 1, our level 1. So you can see in which line item I need to check.
Product 3 text.
Product 3 text. So in text format you can import anything, and then invalid format data of staging. Yes, so this we didn't change the format of this line item. Formula is the correct only. So what happens, we didn't change the format. So earlier we have created, the thing is we need to make the format whatever we want here. So you can see formula is the find item product 3 you can see, and so in which line item I need to search. So this is my line item, you can see line item name. So now I will search. So now I search. So this is not product family list, product 3 list format. Product 3 list format. So I am converting text to list. So what happens? So why this refrigerator is, this AC and cooler is fine. Why this refrigerator is not able to find in the product list I have created? So but you can see, so because of it is a because of spelling it is getting not mapping. So this is also we have this one. So because of spelling what happening here, it is not able to find. So AC cooler, so whatever the items we have it is finding. So anyway it also find. So what I do, so simply whatever the spelling I have refrigerator here, I will try to copy paste here. As we know 3 items, so I will copy paste this name. Because of some spelling mistake it is not able to find. Now I copy paste. So what happening here, whatever the items I have in the list, so I am able to find here or not in the list format. Why I am not able to find this one fan? Yes, it is not there in my list, correct? So what I do, I create one more line item, new items. New items, I create new items. So new items whenever I am creating, so what is my logic? It should be, what is my logic? It should be format new items. It should be blank. It should be boolean format. And what I do, simply you can see I create one logic wherever I what I do is not blank, this line item. So then what happens for me? I write not is blank, I write not is blank, I write simply is blank, I write. Yes. So if I write is blank, what happens? Which line item I get true? Yes. So these 5 items you can we don't require. So in the general list I am deleting these extra items. I don't want these items. I want to delete extra items. items we have, I want to, yes, so you can see. So which line item I am getting true here, which cell I am
Pan.
getting true.
New items. Pan.
So wherever new item I am getting, so that one I am getting true. So I create one saved view. So in that I am creating one saved view. So what is my saved view here? In the product text line item, I create product text line item and I apply one filter. So what is my filter? It should be, you can see. So product text line item I want to apply equal to, it should be true. New item should be true. So which line item, which cell I am getting here? I am creating the saved view, save as new items. So what happens now? Already same name is there, new items in list. So now I have created the saved view. You can see. So in the saved view, what cell did I get here? Yes,
New item.
new item I got. So simply what I do, so I import this new, in the saved view I need this one, only I need this new item. I don't need this text format and all those line items I don't need. So simply I will hide, show only this line item. I will remove other line items. So show only, show selection. So what I do, simply after creating this one, I import this data. So whenever we are getting the new items, what will we do? Again, what will we do? So this saved view we import in the our P3 list. So you can see. So this is my P3 list. Only I have the 3 items. Some code you have anyway. So now I import data. Import. I create one saved view, one import, connect to Anaplan model, and you can see saved view. Which saved view we need to use? New items list. Datahub staging module, new item list, saved view I need to use. So we don't have any parent code, nothing we have. So here we can use the name or code. So which line item we need to take? Yes. So which one should we take? What is our source? So property in, what is our target and what is our source? Yes, column 1, column 2 and column header. So which one should we take here?
Column 2.
So where we have that data, you can see where do we have the data. Column 2 we have, so parent and everything we didn't take, so simply I am running import action. So now what happens we can see. So 3 created, 1 ignored something, so we didn't take the fan, you can see true, and so we didn't get the proper saved view here, you can see. So what we have taken here, fan, we need to get the here, what item we need to get, fan we need to get true and 0.0. so these two things we don't want. So which one we need here? Only fan we need. So other than that one we need to check the actions. So apart from that one, what I have done, import into product 3. So what action we have done, you can check here. So I am using the line items and you can run the actions and check. Yes, 4 created, updated nothing. So what did I get here? So product 3 text list new item sales, everything I got. So line items, this is not correct one. So you can see I am deleting all these things. We should not want all these things. So how many items we have? So this is fan also, I am deleting this thing, and this fan also I don't want. So in the list what happens, so whatever the new item we have in the staging module, so in the staging module whatever the new items we have we import. So only that line item we import, we don't import the other than that line item. That is our concept, this one. So what is the answer for this question? Yes, whatever I have shared here questions. So for which one we are discussing these things? How will you do the delta load through the action? So what we are trying to do this one entire process. Yes, what we are trying.
We are trying to upload new items.
Yes, so in the list what we are trying to do, whatever the new item I have, so whatever the new item I have here, that new item what we are trying to do, so we are adding in the our product list. So this is our, for which concept we are doing, this is the delta, how we will. So by doing this one, what I am getting, I am getting one action, correct? Am I getting one action or not?
Yes.
One action I am getting. So we are so by using this one, whenever if you run this action, what happens? Yes,
Only delta loads will get updated. Only new items will get updated.
so we didn't include some codes and all, so that is the reason anyway you are getting. So you are getting the new items. This is the entire concept. Earlier also we have done here, 1 created, 0 updated, 1 ignored, 1 failed. So nothing is failed. So you can see what happened now. Am I getting only fan or not?
Yes.
Yes, so we are getting fan only. So whenever they run this action, so again after some time, so they have done the uploading. This is uploading for the Excel file. So in this Excel file, if they run this action and if they get 10 new items next time, what happens? If they get 10 new items, what happened next time? Yes. So now you can see
Only
after
new
importing
items
that
will,
one, after importing that one, do I have anything new, new items here? Why I don't have any new item?
because the new item is already included.
So that new item I have included in the product list by running the import action. Just now by creating the saved view and applying the filter, these new items. So I have added to the my list. So in this way what happening? So if this is about the transactional data, if we are adding the items to the new items to the list, any list, this is the entire process. So generally we'll import the data in the text format, and from text to list we convert. And if you have it is existing in your old list, then what happens, it will get find by using the find item. So if it is not in your list, so in that scenario what happens, simply it will simply what happens, so I again what I do, I want to remove this AC list, AC data I want to remove, AC item I want to remove from my product 3 list. What happens now? What happening here?
Becomes new.
So it is getting true for me, correct? So it is not it is getting true here. So in my saved view, what happens, new items means which one is my new item now?
Yes.
This is new item. So now what I do, again after some time you can see I am running my action, I run this action. So hierarchy import has both name and code, unmapped cannot proceed. So actually we didn't consider the codes. So you can see import into product, codes and all we didn't take. So that is the reason we are getting the issue. For the list we didn't consider as their codes. Now you can see what happening by running that action. I will do the refresh. Now what happened by running that action, what happens now again? Did I get AC or not?
Yes.
Yes. So in the Datahub staging module, what happening in my main view, what happening? Do I have any new items?
No.
No. So why I don't have means I am running that. So whatever the actions I am creating by applying the filter and all. So what happening? So simply we'll get
New items.
the new items. So this is the process. Give me a minute. वालेकुम सलाम, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह खैरियत से। मैंने आ रहा हूँ मैं क्लास ले रहा था इसके लिए। तो बिजी हो गए। So what we are trying to do here, whenever we are getting the new items we are trying to add, correct? So how we are getting this process, what are the steps we are doing? Yes, Abdurrahman, what we are trying to do this delta load, and what is the process?
So delta load means we are trying to import only the new updated list items, and we are avoiding to again re-import already existing list items. For this, we will be creating numbered list, and after creating that numbered list, we will create one staging module
Yes,
to that numbered list, and we will add some line items like code and product text like that,
yes, then text
and
format
product three
try to
lists.
import. Yes,
Uh, we will use find item function to import to convert text formatted line item to list formatted line item.
okay,
And then again, we are creating another line item, new item, which is a Boolean formatted line item, and we are using the logic is blank.
yes,
So wherever it is not matching, text and list formatted line items are not matching, at that case, it will correct the checkbox. So we will create the saved view and we will try to import into the list by running the action.
yes. So this is the way how we get, and so this is the, even we can interviewer say what is incremental load means also delta load only. Incremental means, so what are the extra data whatever we are getting. So if I am uploading the entire data, so just now we have first earlier we have seen in country list, if I am uploading the country data, what happens if I have 14, if I take the 14 countries in the my source file, if I upload, what happens in that scenario? I need to upload that 14 countries, and earlier 13 countries get erased, and in the source file whatever we are uploading now, so that countries it takes. But if I follow this rule, what happens? It is a product list or it is a country list or whatever it. So what happens if I do in this process?
We'll import only the new list items.
Only new list items it will get import, so that is the advantage we get. So if you upload in that process, earlier data will get deleted, and whatever the new file we are uploading 13, 14, 15, whatever it, new data will get create. So that is the process. And incremental load and the full load, we can say delta load, we can say. Full load means entire data we are uploading, incremental or delta load means we are trying to upload only new items to our Anaplan. This is a major difference. And what are the different types of list we have means, so anyway we have the composite list, hierarchy list, compositor hierarchy list, flat list, and number list. So these are the different lists we have. And whatever I have shared the question, how we create that action means, this is the process. Just now I have created the action. So in that by creating one staging module, and by creating new line items, and importing this data hub staging module to into my list, it will get one action. So whether it is a list or whether it is a modular, whatever it, if I want to do anything continuously, I same way will create some filter and apply the filter, and will create some saved view and import into target module, we get the result. So this is process. And this is the entire process regarding the data hub or data hub upload process. And even I have shared some recorded sessions for the data hub procedure, and excel data data upload. So these are the different types of things I have shared. So please you can go through it, and this recorded session also I will share in the class. So I need each and everyone from doing this activity. Yesterday most of the candidates doesn't share any images, only Jabbar has shared. So what about others? Did whatever I have explained yesterday, so did you implement or not?
Yes, sir, I have implemented today.
So you should share the images so that I can understand. So you also implemented.
Yeah,
So try to
yeah.
implement these things, otherwise you can see. So if you want to this innovation type of things, so you need time and you need to understand this concept, and it required lot of time. So simply it will not get. So that is the reason I am asking, always try to upload, try to attend the class with the laptop and try to implement these things. So everyone implement these things now, and send the images. Take Excel file and whatever the process I have done, so do in your own process. So open your workspace and implement these things.